Now,
May I now be recognized?
Abante, now you are recognized.
My query is if we have invited a certain Elizabeth Cruz, no, aka Joey De Vibre, Mr. Chair. If we have invited her and she has an excuse letter, may I know what was the excuse, Mr. Chairman?
Consec, please answer the query of Congressman Abante. Please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Ms. Elizabeth Joy Cruz was invited and she sent an excuse letter via email.
I am referring to aka Joe De Vibre sapagkat matindi yung kanyang mga sinabi dito. Gusto ko talagang makita siya at makausap sapagkat dito minura niya ako at ang sabi niya, panay kabobohan sa quad, sayang kuryente sa'yo.
Huwag mo sa kanya.
Ano yung pack you? Pack you, hindi ko alam yung pack.
Huwag mo na sabihin.
Congressman Abante. Katutuloy ko lang pumunta.
Mr. Chairman, Congressman, don't be so personal. Let's be more comprehensive on this approach.
Binabasa ko lang po. Binabasa ko lang eh.
Sige, go ahead. I'll give you
Pangalawa, November 13, 2024, nagmura na naman siya. Hindi ko na babanggitin yung mura niya. Pag tinatanong kung anong legislation ginawa niyo in relation to this, BS, ano ba yung BS? BS inquiry, sasagot ka, swelduhan ka ng taxpayers, gago. November 3, 2024, si Benny Abante at si Romel Marbil ay mga protektor ng illegal na droga dahil pilit nilang pinalalabas na hindi ito ganoon kasama. Tapos sabing ganyan, si Dan Fernandez and Ace Barber's survey are depressing. Alam na nila na matatalo sila sa eleksyon. So what is the hearing for? Smoke screen for the discount. Tinabi ko ito sapagkat matindi po itong mga akusasyon na ibinigay nitong gusto ko nilang magmura eh. Hindi na ako magbumura muna. Oo. Kaya kailangan po, itong mga to, ang tatapang nila eh. Ang tatapang sa pagmumura, nang wala tayong kalaban-laban. Ngayon, pag kaharap dito, hindi makaharap dito. Mga takot din pala yung mga yan eh.
Please hold your fire, please.
I'm holding my fire.
On the process of administrative, ano pa lang muna tayo, Congressman Abante. We can tackle that on the interpellation.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang pong bagitin tong kanya excuse letter. Nakalagay dito, after meaningful consultation with my lawyers, gumayad pa na abogado. I have decided to respectfully decline. Respectfully? Minumura tayo, respectfully? To share my knowledge on matters. Hindi knowledge ang kailangan natin.
The lawyer, if this is like...
Ask the lawyers kung libelous yung ginawa niyo o slander. No, nakalagay, I would like to categorically state that I am neither paid by POGO operators. Hindi na pinag-uusapan. Pinag-uusapan natin yung mga sinabi niya. Tapos respectfully, Elizabeth Joey Cruz, na nakikinig po sa atin ngayon, nanonood ngayon, humarap ka dito, kumatapang ka. Hirap sa iyo, nagbumura ka, nang dyan na wala kaming kalaban-laban. Humarap ka dito. Dito. Namo.
Chairman. Wait. Quiet, Chairman. Please observe now. Refrain from laughing or whatever expression you wanted to. Please observe decency and of course.
Chair, I move that we strike out.
With all due respect, with Congressman Abante, I feel your sentiment, no? I feel your sentiment, but we are in the process of finding out the, yung pong implementation of the 10175. And I respect your freedom of expression, but what I'm trying to tell you is to refrain from the fire that you wanted to express, no? But for now, nandun pa lang po tayo sa administrative matter and we wanted to finish that. And then we will be discussing or we will be approving the ground rules. Wala pa po yung ground rules and kaya nga po, doon sana yung kay Chairman Abante, doon papatak yan sa ground rules. Anyway, having said that, siguro we'll proceed to the next item
Mr.
of our
Chair,
agenda is to approve.
So that we can have an orderly hearing, we must first approve the ground rules. I believe that the COMSEC has already distributed copies of the ground rules to the members present. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I move to approve the ground rules.
Yes, there's a motion to approve the ground rules. And I believe that the members of this committee have already received the yung pong ground rules natin and you have already read it. So siguro I need a second motion for this. Any second motion?
Second.
This was duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.
Administration.
Hindi mo babasahin naman ang rules. So the next item of our agenda is for all the
Mr. Chair,
yes, Congressman Zamora.
I would like to reiterate my earlier motion to strike out the expletive that was mentioned by my idol, Representative Abante. Earlier. Second motion.
Mr. Chair,
Second motion.
I object because it was not an expletive. Sinabi ko lang, namo. That can mean anything. That can mean anything.
Hearing resume.
If that is the... Huh?
So it was seconded, Mr. Chairman. And the objection with Congressman Abante, it's up to the members if they will vote for it, for the objection with Chairman Abante.
1 minute suspension.
Okay na.
Hearing resume. So there's a motion to strike out the word that was delivered by Congressman Abante, and this was duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, that motion is approved.
Mr.
Okay,
Chair,
I
I would like to manifest na because it was a motion made by she's just like a daughter to me because her father is a very good friend of mine. So I would like to withdraw my objection, although it is not actually an expletive.
Yeah.
But I'm withdrawing it for the sake of the motion, Mr. Chair.
So the next item of our agenda is the